Hello guys, what's up? So as you can see in this video, I'm going to try out some nosebleed filter on Instagram. So I'll be trying around 18 filter, and if you like any of them and want to use this filter, then you can pause the screen. I'll be showing you the creator name. I'll write down the creator name here also. So you can pause the screen and you can go to the creator profile in Instagram to try out this filter, or you can check in the description box also. I'll keep the link to the filter there because some of the creator are having private profile, so if you go to their profile you can't get the filter, so I'll give the link there in the description box. Okay, so this is the first one and this is the creator. I'll stay around 5 seconds in every filter. Okay, this is the second one, Moxat. Third one, Moxat again. Fourth one, Moxat QT. Fifth one, Moxat, Holy Moxat from Holy Maria. Moxat QT again. Bloody Nose. Bloody Nose. Bloody Nose. Bloody Nose. Bloody Noses. Little graphic. And this is the last one. So that's it in this video guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video guys.